right, we're looking at circumference. So the circumference is the distance around a circle. So if we're thinking about measuring a polygon, we measure the outside, and that's called the perimeter, but when we're looking at circles, it's called a circumference. So when we're measuring perimeter, okay, we would add up all of the sides, right? It's 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So we would go 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, and then the perimeter would equal 30 centimeters. Okay, so that's how we would figure that out. Now, when we're measuring for the circumference, we can't just take a tailor's tape and measure around the outside because it's actually not that accurate. So we needed to find a formula in order to be able to do that, because to this point, they could only approximate. Now, if we're looking at different shapes, okay, these are the closest that we're going to get to an actual circle to be able to measure around the outside. So if this was 2 centimeters, right, and going around, and then the more sides that a shape had, the closer it was getting to a circle. And mathematicians used this to find the formula for the circumference of a circle. So they'd use, it was almost like, it looked like a ratio of the perimeter to the width of different polygons. So all regular polygons have the same type, have the same ratio between the perimeter and the width, but the ratios are different for different polygons. So will all circles also have the same ratio between the width, which is the diameter, and the circumference? So this is something that we're going to be trying to find out. So what I want you to do is stop and do number 1, and then come back and watch the next video.